guys, it's Hunter and Tiny Trucker Tim with TruckParkingClub.com. We're the Airbnb truck parking. We're here at a lot at 3431 Bessemer Super Highway, and it is an easy in, easy out location right here. It's an asphalt lot. I don't know that I'd call it fenced, but it is gated. Ain't nobody driving your rig out of here or driving up beside of it. Great place to drop a trailer or leave your truck and trailer. This guy's got a box truck in here. You guys hit us up. Me and Tiny Trucker Tim's traveling America looking for more truck parking spaces and locations to make your driver's life a lot easier, creating more parking and trying to solve the truck parking crisis in America. TruckParkingClub.com. And hey, look here. We got some tacos across the road. I'm sure they'll fix you a burrito, a taco, just whatever you want, guys. Right here in Bessemer, Alabama. We're south of Birmingham. Another location for you guys out there. Hit us up. Let us know if there is somewhere that you guys need parking across America, and we'll go find parking for you drivers out here. Me and Tiny Trucker Tim are getting it for you guys. Catch you on the flip. Keep on trucking.